you got to say about yourself?
Well, I got a lot of switches here. I hope I'm.
Look at this guy. He's geared right out. He's got a satellite dish. This guy's like his own personal NASA. What?
Yeah, you ready?
Yeah.
Okay.
Nice. You went around all 4 goalposts. This guy's. Yeah. These people right above us. The little dog's trying to. Can't wait till I get at least half that good. This guy, it's like highway to the danger zone. That was sick, buddy. That just looked sick, just me watching it. Your camera probably on your phone didn't pick it up, but just the way you came down, you went down super low and then you gunned it, and the way you came out of the bank, it was just sick. Over the cricket strip now.
It's hard for me to land it because the camera's pointed up so much.
Yeah, I know. Well, when you get close to the ground, you just got to kind of hope that you've lined yourself up with the pad, and then you just let it down. Nice. Nice. You're facing towards us too. Nice. Oh,
That's horrible.
that was horrible, man. I got that on video though.
Oh no. Oh buddy.
Oh, buddy, you pancaked it.
What antenna?
Oh, look.
Damn.
Custom.
It just went all black. It went all black with the sunlight in the camera.
You were coming right at us and then you pulled back and it just belly flopped. That was awesome.
The belly flopped.
It did. It just went and landed on its roof
Oh,
like
shit.
pancake. That was awesome.
It was good, huh?
Well, boy.